What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So from the intro, you can already tell that I am testing out a turbo blanket from a reputable company. They're called Thermal Zero. Guys, you can even find sellers that sell their turbo blankets on Amazon as well. That's why I picked it up. I even had the pleasure of speaking to Sean over at Thermal Zero. He's actually a pretty nice guy. Okay, so I'm trying to do this this little review on this blanket, and hopefully it'll help customers like yourselves who are DIYers have some better knowledge. Now, my turbo is a Garrett G351050 turbo with a 1.21 AR housing, so it's the biggest housing that you could put on this bad boy. Now, mostly a T3 blanket would fit. This blanket that I got from, I'll put the part numbers up as well, that I got from Amazon, or you could even find it on their site. It's like a T3 and can fit some smaller T4 housings, okay? And it's pretty relatively the same size, okay? Pretty relatively the same size. So, you know, I mean, at least that's a good thing. So guys, cool things about this blanket, it's pretty much universal. Comes with some wires you see in that bag right there in case you want to tie down the rivets. I don't know if I'll be able to do it on mine just because where my turbo is, it's so tight in there. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, you know what I mean? But anyway, these blankets are pretty damn good. They're rated, which can handle over 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit of direct heat on the inside. That's pretty damn good. And the blankets, they're high quality. It's a 1-inch thick, 6-pound density of ceramic insulation material, and it's covered with a silicone-based outer shell. That's what you're seeing right here. Now, guys, see how shiny this is? It damn near looks like fiberglass. So if I were you guys, put some gloves on if you're touching this. And obviously, you can see the mesh inner layer right there to separate the inner layer from the actual housing on the turbo, which is good. So let's see how long this blanket is gonna last. And guys, you can get this in various colors, red, blue. Now, they also carry a lava blanket, which can handle more heat, which the inside is made from lava rocks. But the only thing is, it doesn't come in black, and I needed black to match my color scheme. Obviously, there's a lot of black in there. I can't put one that looks brown, you know what I'm saying? This looks ridiculous. So, time to fit this bad boy on. Let's see how it works. All right, the install is complete. Looks pretty good. I'll put some glossy stuff on it to make this look really black. I like how the Thermal Zero logo, the part number, everything is on it. That's actually pretty cool. And I actually did use their wire, if you notice down there. So everything is a pretty tight fit on here. So it was very, very tough for me to do. I still made it fit, you know, around most of the turbine housing, but as I said, it's not easy. So let me start the car and I'll measure up the heat. All right, so the car is at operating temperature, and I could literally rest my hand on this blanket. I couldn't do that with the other blanket. I could keep my hand right here. It's actually pretty damn good. The temperature of this, surface temperature is saying 91 degrees. In here, 148 degrees. It's a lot of degrees difference. So I'll let it keep idling a little bit more just so we can test it, but we're at operating temperature already. All right, so it's been idling for about 20 minutes at least. It's a little hot on here, but I can still keep my hand on it. That's not freaking bad at all. Temperature of this right now, it's about 109, okay, let's see. 110 degrees, somewhere around there. Inside here, where it meets the turbine housing, yeah, it's damn near 200 degrees. So it's a huge difference. Almost 100-degree difference right there. Pretty damn good. Anyway, guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. I'll have everything in the description that you need to contact Thermal Zero, or you can go to Amazon. I'll put both links on there. So far, this blanket right here outperformed my other blanket that I had, like right off the bat. And the other blanket was pretty damn good, but this one is outperforming because I could actually keep my hand on here. And that turbine housing, man, that shit is hot. I could tell it's freaking hot under there. Trying to get a good scan on this damn thing. Woo, it's hot. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's about 200 degrees. I can't get it. There we go. That housing right there. Look at that. It's in the 200s. And the surface of this, so it's almost 100-degree difference. All right, fam. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.